Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you turn on account restriction on Roblox. So guys, it's very easy. At first, just go to your Roblox app. Now into the Roblox app, click the bottom last, the three dot icon. Now just go to settings, this one. Now click the third option here, privacy. Now here you can see account restrictions are disabled. Just click on it. And here you can see your account restrictions are enabled. So guys, that's how you can turn on account restriction on Roblox. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.